Hi everybody. Remove the rear wheels. Use a hammer. Use a flat screwdriver. Remove the hub bearing protection cap. Use a drive socket number 30. Unscrew the wheel hub fastening nut. Remove the brake drum. Use a flare nut wrench 11. Disconnect the hydraulic line from the wheel cylinder back. Immediately plug the brake line open end to prevent fluid leakage and ingress of dirt into the hydraulic system. Use a drive socket number 10. Unscrew the brake cylinder fastening bolt. Remove the brake cylinder from the backplate. Use a flat screwdriver. Install a new brake cylinder. Screw the brake cylinder fastening bolts. Use a drive socket number 10. Connect the hydraulic line to the wheel cylinder back. Use a flare nut wrench 11. Bleed the brake cylinder system. Use a combination spanner number 8. Install a brake drum. Use a drive socket number 30. Screw the hub nut. Install the hub bearing protection cap. Use a hammer. Thank you for watching our video tutorials. If you enjoyed watching this one, click a thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.